Simulink model for the designing of the controllers for level and temperature control in the reactor. Basically, this is our model in which we need to control its temperature, its level through steam, and this is the input of F1. Let me show you. This is the MATLAB Simulink model for the controlling of PID through heat and the level of the tank. Okay, so we just need to first run this model according to PID controller. Let's check its output accordingly. Basically, we designed this complete project according to see. This is the temperature of the tank, output graph of the closed loop system, temperature control system for the closed loop system. And this is the level of the tank with the distribution. Okay, disturbance basically. This we have added the disturbance as well. Okay, and this is the open loop system for the temperature, and this is the open loop system for the level of the tank. Okay, and this is the cascaded loop system for the based on the to control the temperature basically. So let me just change its PI controller. We need to just double click on here, and yes, we just need to change here PI controller, because we have used in the article PI controller as well. Just change here PI. It's here PI. This is the PI as well. And we need to again run the system to check the behavior of closed loop system of the temperature for the level and the cascaded of the level. These are the output graph. Okay, this is the cascaded loop, and now we just need to change its controller to P controller, only P controller to P controller. Okay, now we just need to run it. See, for P controller, its level of tank is in negative, and its temperature should be this. Cascaded system should be this. So let's change to PID controller again. See, its proportional integral and the derivative values of this point here. Let's run it again. Yes, see its level behavior is changed. This negative values are due to the disturbance of this F2. Let's just remove the disturbance and let's run again, and we will see the behavior it's changed. See, negative values is closed. So we just need to add here again. Again. See its behavior also changed. Okay, so this is the complete article for the controlling of temperature and the level of the reactor, basically this reactor. Okay, so okay, I think thank